Hey there! Welcome to DollarVest, your go-to place for simple investing tips. Have you ever thought about buying a stock, but had no idea where to start? You've heard names like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla, but how do you actually buy them? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to buy your first stock in the US, even if you've never invested before. Let's break it down together. Step 1. What is a stock? A stock is a small ownership piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder. That means you own part of the business. If the company grows and makes money, your stock can go up in value. You can also earn money through something called dividends. Simple, right? Now let's see how to actually buy. Step 2. Choose a brokerage account to buy stocks. You need a brokerage account, kind of like a bank account, but for investing. Some popular broker apps in the US are Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, etc. Most of them are free to open and charge zero commission on trades. Download the app or visit the website. Sign up, verify your identity, like using your SSN, and link your bank account. Step 3. Fund your account. After setting up your account, transfer money from your bank into your brokerage. Even $10 and or $20 and is enough to get started. Thanks to something called fractional shares, that means you don't need $3,000 and to buy one Amazon share. You can buy just a small part of it. Step 4. Research the stock. Now comes the fun part, choosing a stock. Do a little research. Look at what the company does, how it makes money, is it growing? Do you believe in its future? Apps like Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, or even the Brokers app will give you charts and basic info for beginners. It's often better to start with companies you know and trust. Step 5. Place your first trade. Once you've picked your stock, tap Buy in your app. Choose how many shares or how much money you want to invest. You'll usually see two options: market order, buy right now at the current price; limit order, set your own price to buy for your first stock. A market order is simple and fast. Confirm your order, and that's it. You now own a stock. Step 6. Watch and learn. After buying, you can track how your stock is doing right in your app. Don't panic if it goes up and down a little. That's normal. Investing is a long-term game. Keep learning. Maybe add more stocks or try ETFs later on. The most important part: you've started. And that's a big step. Congratulations. You've just learned how to buy your first stock in the US. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to DollarVest for more simple investing videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.